Zucchini and sausage is a typical combo for a quick and delicious pasta in Italian households. This recipe takes it a step further with a bit of carbonara inspiration for a dish packed with flavor and color. Let's begin with 2 medium-sized zucchini. Remove the ends, then slice it down the middle and cut each half into quarters. I like to flip each section skin side down to remove the inner core that contains the seeds and most of the liquid, which would turn mushy in the pasta. Then, simply cut each zucchini plank into small chunks that are about half of an inch wide. After all of the zucchini is cut up, give half of an onion a medium-sized dice. Next, take a couple ounces of fresh Pecorino Romano cheese and grate that into a bowl before cracking in 1 whole egg, and then separate and add 1 egg yolk. Crack in a bunch of black pepper, or about a 1/4 teaspoon, before mixing that all together. In a large skillet on medium heat, drizzle in a couple tablespoons of olive oil before tossing in the onion along with a nice pinch of salt. Sauté the onion for about 4 minutes, or until it's softened and becomes slightly golden around the edges. Drop in about 6 ounces of ground sweet Italian sausage and begin breaking it up with your wooden spoon. Cook the sausage for another few minutes or until it's mostly brown. Toss in the zucchini along with another big pinch of salt and pepper. We want to add the zucchini towards the end so it doesn't get too soft and still has a little bit of texture in the final dish. Give it a stir and let the zucchini cook while we add a small handful of salt to a pot of boiling water before dropping in a ½ pound or half box of rigatoni. While the pasta cooks, we can turn the heat down to low and put a lid on the skillet to help cook the zucchini, which should give it the perfect texture by the time the pasta is al dente. Once it's ready, add the pasta from the pot directly to the skillet and begin tossing it together on low heat. Then pour in a full ladle's worth of pasta water to begin the sauce. Give it a quick mix for a minute or so, and now with the heat turned off, add in the egg mixture. Begin stirring quickly so you don't get any scrambled eggs. Then you'll need another small splash of pasta water. Toss the pasta in the pan to help make a creamy sauce and ensure everything is incorporated nicely. Continue to mix until you get the right consistency. If the sauce is too thin, you can put it back on the heat, and if it's too thick, just add a touch more pasta water. This technique of mixing in eggs and cheese is most commonly known in carbonara, but it's also used in other Italian pasta dishes since it's a quick and easy way to make a flavor-packed sauce with a little added protein. Plate it up and add another sprinkle of pecorino cheese and some freshly cracked black pepper. Please leave any questions or thoughts in the comments and let me know if you plan on trying this one out. Thank you for watching.